Hi guys, good morning. Hope you are all fine. Let me share my screen. Market is coming down. From past 2 days, it's coming down. I'm not able to identify a right entry. So that's the reason why I did not trade for a couple of days. Today, I am finding I may get one very good entry. So that's the reason why I am live. My first priority is to look for a candle whose range is below 20 points. See, for example, this candle, this red candle, which is formed at 9:50 on a 5 minutes time frame, the range of this candle is 30 points. So it's not worth. And at 9:45, it's the same 30 points. It's almost 37 points. So the first criteria to trade is the range of the Nifty candle on a 5 minutes time frame should be below 20. And there should be a crossover. See, I have three indicators on my trading view. One is the CPR, the other one is exponential moving average, 21 exponential moving average, and 8 exponential moving average. So there are three indicators which I depend on. CPR is for getting the support and resistances. Now let me see what is the range of this candle. The high made on this candle is 536 and 514. This is almost close to 20 points, but it is not exactly 20, it is 22 points. So we need to wait for the candle which makes 20 points range. See, most of the segments are in red. Today is Wednesday and a day prior to the expiry. Tomorrow is weekly as well as monthly expiry. So there will be a lot of adjustments today, and even we can see here it's very volatile. Volatility is more. It is almost 19. VIX is at 19. If this candle closes in a range below 20 points, then we can initiate a trade. See, now there is no fun in buying a call option. We have to buy a put option. So right now I have in my watch list 17,600 put option. Even it is very clear here, even on the option chart, it is trading well above the VWAP. If it is coming around 110, it will bounce back from 110, then that will be one of the criteria to enter the trade. My first criteria is 20 points range of the candle. So in the meantime, let's discuss something else. We have heard that 95% of the retail traders fail. 95% of the retail traders, they lose their money. Only 5% of the traders are successful. Have you ever thought why only 5% of the people are successful? The successful traders are the trainers, YouTubers, and big players. Only these three people are successful. None of the retail traders are successful. That says the survey. 95% of the traders are failure. They lose their money in the market. They are not successful. The first and the foremost reason why most of the retail traders are not successful is because most of the retail traders are not disciplined and they follow YouTubers or some trainers. They don't, 95% of the people in this stock market, they don't use their brains. Even though if they want to use their brains, it will be borrowed brain. They don't work hard. None of us work hard to know the in and out of the stock market. Now, my first discipline here is I want a candle which is 20 points range, which is in 20 points range. So this is my first discipline. So every day, let me share with you one discipline. Maybe I get 2 or 3 trades in a week, out of which 85 to 90% of the times they don't hit the stop loss. Only 10 to 15% of my trades hit the stop loss. See, even with this candle, we are not able to initiate any trade. The range of this candle is also very high. See, this black line represents previous day high, and this is the CPR. These 3 blue lines represents the central pivot range. So today, I think it will be in between previous day high and the CPR. There will be a range formed between the two. But I'm never interested in buying a call option because the overall trend is bearish. I want each of my viewers to be in that 5% of the successful people, not under 95%. It's all there in your hands. None of the trainer can help you, none of the YouTuber can help you, none of the big players can help you. You have to help yourself. It's all there in your hands. Traders, please don't lose your saved money or hard-earned money, either by you or by your parents, or it's at the end of the day, it's your money. Please save your money. Don't lose in trading. And don't be 1 in 95%. I want each one of you to be 1 in 5%. Maybe your trading capital is 20,000, 25,000, or 50,000, or anything, any amount. But always be in that 5% zone, not in the 95% zone. It's very easy to be in 5% zone, but very difficult, as per me, to be in 95% zone if you are disciplined enough. Even I was in that 95% zone, but now I have come out of that 95%. I am in that 5% zone. I am not interested in initiating any trade now. Let's see, it is another 1 minute and 20 seconds. I think the range of this candle is perfect. So below this candle, we can buy a put option. See, we have to look. The first criteria is the range of the 5 minutes candle should be below 20. The high and low made on a 5 minutes candle should be 20 and below. And then comes the second criteria. In the second criteria, it has to be above VWAP. VWAP. Just remember VWAP on the option chart. It has to be, the candle should be very much trading above the VWAP. I have taken 1 minute time frame on the option chart. Please hold on a moment. Yes, this is a perfect candle at 10:05. The candle, it's a perfect candle. 11th candle. 11th candle is a perfect candle, but when I come here, it is trading below VWAP. So I will not initiate any trade. No trade, no trade, no trade. Please be very careful. No trade. See, this is 17,600 put option chart. This is an option chart. The candle has to close well above the VWAP. Only then I will initiate a trade. Maybe above 111. I will buy 17,600 put option above 111 for 12 points, which is 123, and the stop loss there will be 101. But I have to buy above 111. No, we did not get any opportunity to buy. Now, let me see. It is very risky to buy a put option. I'm sorry, it is very risky to buy a call option. See, 17,500 call option is in my watch list. Here we can see here, we could have bought above VWAP, which is the high is 114. But I did not buy it. The reason why I did not initiate a buy call on Nifty is because 8 exponential moving average is below 21 exponential moving average. See, this blue line is, I'm sorry, the green line is 8 exponential moving average and the red line is 21 exponential moving average. it has to form a crossover, like the crossover formed here. It has to form a crossover. Only then I can initiate a trade. So this is my third criteria. My first criteria is the candle should be below 20. The range of the candle should be below 20. And my second criteria is on the option chart, it has to be above VWAP. It has to be above VWAP. And the third criteria, which I have to see, which I will see, is the fast moving average should be above the slow moving average in case if I have to initiate a buy trade. I mean to say that 8 exponential moving average should be above 21 exponential moving average to initiate a buy trade. To initiate a sell trade, 8 exponential moving average should be below. So these are the only three disciplines which I maintain. Only three. Then you will be a successful trader. 100% trader, not successful trader. You will be a 100% trader. Let's wait for another 20 seconds and we can initiate a buy trade above the high of this candle. Now let me check what is the high on the 5 minutes option chain. Yes, the high of this candle is 125. So 126 I can initiate a buy trade. 126 call option 17,500 I can initiate a buy trade. Don't be in a hurry. There are two very bad emotions which hurts us a lot. One is the fear and the other one is the greed. Just be happy with 10 to 12 points, 500 to 600 rupees. It's more than enough per lot. Let's not go beyond that. 126 will be, I will buy at 126. Now it is trading at 119. Call option 126. Buy 15,500 E of 126. Target of 138. Enough. 12 points is enough. And stop loss 10 point stop loss. 126 is 116. 116 is the stop loss. That's it. Do we get an opportunity to trade? We have to wait and watch. We had an opportunity to buy a put option, but even we did not, but that did not give the right opportunity for the entry as per my criteria, because most of the candles were above 20 points range on a 5 minutes time frame. Guys, you have to become rich, not the trainers or YouTubers or the big players. Please don't lose any of your money. If once we start losing money in the market, then it becomes a habit. Don't be in a hurry to initiate a trade. Just relax. You will get the opportunity to enter the market and earn the profit. Now it is 10:18. Still, we are not able to get the entry. So 121. Even here, we can see that the 8 EMA is above the 13 EMA and well above VWAP. 123, 124. I think my trade will be active. Still, my trade is not active. Yes, now it's active. So 138 will be my target. Yes, it will come to this point. I mean 600. It's very easy to reach 600. 77 to 600. I mean another 20 points. Another 20 points move will get us profits. Did you see all my three criterias are matching here? You can see this crossover. It's okay. So that's the reason why I initiated this trade. There was a crossover and 20 points range in on a 5 minutes time frame, and above we went on the option chart. I have taken the trade above the high of 10-5 candle. So 138 will ease my target. Where is this? 81. So somewhere around 90, 95, I think I should reach my target. 90 to 95, I should reach my target. Between 90 and 95, 17,590 to 17,595, I should be reaching my target. My dear traders, please follow these simple instructions to be profitable in trade. Not only in options trade, any kind of trade. You can use the same strategy in this. How much is that now? 136, 136, 137. No, this is not still. Yeah, it was 136. So 138 is 138 will be done. Now it is 136. Nothing to worry. So till 95, 17,595. See, I have my strategy is very simple. I'm a very small man with small profit. I'm happy with it. I want each and everyone, all the 95% losers. So please come under 5%. So let's make 5% as 95 and 95 as 5. How much is it now? 137, 138. Yes, it is done. My target is done. We have achieved the target. Okay. Thumbs up, everyone. We have achieved the target. So please subscribe to this channel because we are successful. So I have given all the tips which I follow. Whenever there is an opportunity to trade, I will be live. My dear traders, please be very careful. So now let's say bye. Happy day for you all. Thanks for being live. Thank you so much, my dear traders. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.